3-minute question and answer period for the CWB Financial Education Challenge will begin now. Do you have an exit strategy for this project?
Yes, so we currently do have a long-term idea of what an exit for this project is. So it is currently going through a process of exiting the Enactus kind of realm and transitioning into a full-on financial tech startup, going through the processes of incorporating, transferring whatever accounts were already with the Enactus team over to the new FIFO Technologies Incorporation. And that is now what is launching it off into a company which is currently raising $400,000, is in one of the top fintech incubators, and is looking to eventually kind of move on, whether that be into a larger state or eventually exiting in the future.
How did you develop the content or curriculum for your program, and did you engage any partners?
Right, so content and curriculum for our program has been a collaboration between our team, industry professionals, as well as academics. So something that we pride on within our advisory team is that we have a personal financial professor that has developed curriculums for universities, for students, for employees, but then we also have a heavy influence from the banking world as well as credit union world. So we have a CEO of a credit union, as well as a VP of commercial banking from one of the larger banking institutions. Collectively, all together is what we've been able to create and conceptualize this program and content.
What training did your project managers and/or program facilitators undergo?
So in terms of project managers, it was on the fly for of the initial aspect of training. What led us to some of the other points was going through more financial programs so that everyone was kind of up to date, having some of our financial kind of leads go through and actually work in the industry so that they can get a better understanding and training and whatnot. And then from our development side, we had individuals who were training through the computer science department, and then also tapping them onto other startups and other organizations in the city to kind of build up that repertoire to help build the company and the concept.
Do you have plans to scale your project? If yes, how? If no, why?
Yes, we are currently in the transitionary phase to scale the project. So we are currently in a new incubation program based out of Montreal, and we've currently started a large reach out to smaller financial institutions and credit unions that would be willing to take on the software and the concept in more of an agile development stage. And from that point, we're going to be looking to kind of tap into all of these different industries within the credit union and banking world.
How has COVID-19 impacted your project?
The
time has now expired. Thank you, Enactus University of Regina.